All right, folks, it's your boy, the Bitcoin Networker, and we're doing the review for BTL Coin. Now, we told you a little bit about this earlier, and a lot of you jumped on board in the first round. Today is the end of the first round. We're starting the beginning of the second round tomorrow. This coin is fabulous. So let me walk you through this, and I'm going to take you in the back office and show you why this is so much better than every other coin available right now. So the future is now, and how to make money with BTL BTL Coin. So the lending program received daily interest rate up to 58% monthly, which is among the highest in the industry right now, and I'll show you in the back end. It's just phenomenal. You can make money through the affiliate program by referring our coin to your friends to get extra bonuses upon accounts that are activated. Through the staking, receive interest rate from owning BTL Coin up to 120% return per year, which is phenomenal. The trading program, earn profit from trade through internal and external platforms, and through the mining algorithm, earn income from mining. So what is BTL Coin? We are the digital money that is going to change the financial world and in the future. The financial world in the future. So they talk about their app here, and BTL Coin is the most secure, decentralized, self-regulated cryptocurrency and digital payment system through peer-to-peer network. BTL allows everyone to store and invest his wealth in a non-government controlled currency and earn substantial interest on investment. BTL utilizes blockchain-based technology to promote financial inclusions and lay the groundwork for the new financial tools for unbanked and underserved people throughout and around the world. By eliminating third-party intermediaries, the overhead costs for the exchanging assets, BTL blockchain-based platforms transfer fee is surely less than the transfer fee of any banks in the world. The BTL coin protocol is hard limited to 21 million coins, meaning that no more than that can ever be created. This resembles an economic system based on deflation rather than on increasing coin supply. So why BTL Coin is different from other ICOs? The instant support is in the back office. Once you sign up for your free account, you will get access to your back office, and you'll see the instant support tab there. I haven't seen that in any of the other platforms. A strong international community, strong technological backend, strong privacy, strong professional team. The BTL Coin mobile application, so very much like Electroneum, they want to get their mobile app into the hands of users through mobile technology. As we know, that's surpassing desktop. I think it's now 65% of searches, and we all know that we're never, several feet from our phone. So that is actually worldwide now. Everyone in the world has a phone, and this is a great way for them to get their platform into the masses, the hands of the masses. So BTL Coin website application, their wallet and their lending and everything. There's a website application aspect to it, and it should be ready here soon. We'll take a look at that in the white paper. Okay, so why do we need to choose BTL Coin? You can check out all of this right here. You can click that, and it'll give you some more information here. Let's go ahead and check out the ICO. And so you'll notice here the bitlen.com. When you go to log in, that is a different website. So this is the .com, and we'll see the .co, the login here in 1 minute. So the BTL Coin will launch the initial coin offering from January 2018 by selling 10 million BTL Coins for 30 days, and 300 BTL Coins on average will be sold every day as per schedule. The management team will follow a roadmap to make sure the value of BTL Coin will be increased steadily over time and highly appreciated by our great user community. Here are the ICO parameters. Their abbreviation is BTL. The total supply is 21 million. The total distribution during the ICO will be 10 million, and the cap per day is going to be 300,000 coin within a month. And here we go, is the global community as they referred it to. Bitlen coin price initial coin offering in 30 days. So here we are, January 5th. It is the last day for the 90 cents. And that's awesome. Looks like tomorrow will be $1.35. That'll be through the 13th. And then you can see the rest of the ICO going on here. By the end of the month, if you get in early, you would have 5 extra money. All right. So we have gotten in here. I know all of our Inner Circle members have gotten in right here. And so you can become an Inner Circle member by going to bitcoinnetworker.com. bitcoinnetworker.com, signing up for that, and then checking that out. Check out all the tools that you get, all the information that you get, and then you get access to amazing platforms like this, and we'll show you how awesome this is. Everything is ready to go. And you know, we're the first ones to bring you guys this Bitlen coin. We brought this to you a couple weeks ago. We told you how phenomenal this platform is. This is surely to be a Devore killer, the next Devore platform. This is absolutely going to crush it. You can see here, just by the end of the month, by the end of the ICO, we'll have 5x, more than 5x our money. It's absolutely phenomenal, and I'll show you guys why this is going to pick up more steam here. Because everything's already working, guys. Everything in the back end's already working. The exchange is working. The lending is working. The wallets are working. I'm going to show you guys all that here in 1 second. Just give me a second, all right? So the affiliate program referral bonus is a lot higher than we usually like to see it, but this platform is just so awesome that I don't really mind it. This is 11, 12, 13. No, this is great. 14%. That's absolutely nothing. It's phenomenal. I thought it was a little higher than that. This is great. 11, 12, 13, 14%. Absolutely. So no harm, no foul there. This is very sustainable, especially early on. You know, they'll probably downplay this a little. We saw BitConnect do it. You know, when you start seeing the giants in the industry do it, you follow suit. BitConnect did it after about 8 months, and if they do that after 8 months of paying everyone out, we're here in the ICO. We're going to see so much money off of this, it's not even going to matter. So worry not. It is sustainable for now. So let's go ahead and check out the lending. Now, this is where it gets really interesting, guys. All right, so let's go right here to the meat and potatoes. Bitlen coin, lending profits, and interest. So you can start off with just $100, and 100 to 1,000, you'll get the volatility software interest up to 58% with a loan of 179 days. Typically, if you're in our Inner Circle, you guys are already, you know, you've made a lot of money. You're probably going to be in one of these 3 right here, most likely one of these 2. By next month, all of our guys will be jumping up to here, these 2. But for right now, no matter where you're at, you're going to get the volatility interest and then this bonus, all right? So if you make a $5,010 loan, you'll get that $5,010 back after 99 days. During that 99-day period, you'll be getting the volatility software interest, which I'll show you that in the back office here in 1 second, plus your bonus of 0.3% daily, up to 58% a month. That's absolutely phenomenal. Some of the highest in the industry. We're looking to make a loan here somewhere in this realm here, and we're looking to get that initial back in 60 days here. So 2 months, we'll get the $10,010 back if we chose to make a $10,010 loan. We'll get the volatility software interest plus the 0.36 daily, and we'll get that back after 60 days. So absolutely phenomenal. Loving this platform. Will most definitely be making a huge loan in this platform. So let's check out the next segment, which is the roadmap. Now, the roadmap here is starting in 2018 with 1 BTL at 90 cents. That's the level that we're on, guys. And so the initial coin offering is January 2018 with the web wallet January 2018. And that's already being done right now. The DDoS attack protection is right now. Starting the lending program February. And that's because this ICO runs up until January 30th, guys. And so They'll start lending immediately in February, as well as starting the trading on the internal exchange. And I'll show you, there's no guessing whether this is going to be ready or not. This is already ready in the back office right now, guys. Better than any other thing I've ever seen, any other lending platform for sure. Don't worry about the BS. Don't worry about not being able to log into LoopX or not being able to get your coins with some of these other platforms. This one's already ready, guys. So you can buy right now. So start trading on Coin Exchange in February with a target price of 20. I'll tell you this much right now. This coin will be worth way more than 20 freaking dollars by February. By the time it hits this external exchange, we're looking at a much higher price than this, guys. I assure you. I've already seen the percentages that they're paying out on the volatility software, and this number is way undervalued. So as soon as the YouTubers pick up on this, these coins are going to fly off the shelf every single day until January 30th. And this price right here, if someone pays $5, they're not going to sell this for $20. They're going to want to see a 10x on their money, and that's going to drive the price up. Plus, I'm sure these guys are going to have some other ways of getting that price to rise. So they're looking at being listed on CoinMarketCap in March 2018 with the target price of $50. Security improvement, mining pool launch in April. That's huge. They've got their iOS and Android wallet launching in March. That's huge. They're going to improve some features on the website in April, and they're looking to be a top 20 coin market cap coin by April 2014, which for a lending platform, I would typically laugh at that. But not these guys, not with what I've seen already. They're already done with everything they need to do to make this launch successful as can be. They're already working on these other things, the iOS wallet and things of that nature. So they're way ahead of their time as far as these. They're not like some of the other lending platforms where we're seeing where they need to get the damn pre-launch money just to fix their damn server. Who the fuck wants to invest in something like that, right? And so I'm willing to invest and lend in BitLend coin if they're willing to show me that they can run their launch as smoothly as everything else is being run right now. I'm definitely looking to lend with these guys. The other platforms I'm looking to get my money with, of course. You know, we're going to flood with the other platforms. This one we're going to fuel and flood. Going in heavy with this one, guys. And if you're following us with the fuel, flood, flash method, if you're in the inner circle, you know what that means. We're fueling and we're flooding, and BitLend, baby, is going to allow us to flash. So let's check out the white paper. And with the white paper here, we did a little bit of deep end research with this white paper. You know, absolutely nothing plagiarized on the white paper at all. It's a 100% match to their own website's white paper. So we couldn't find absolutely anything plagiarized. It's an absolutely phenomenal coin. It's looking to be really a top contender in the lending space for sure. It's just phenomenal. The white paper is phenomenal. So go check it out for yourself. All right. Aren't able to find any issues. So grammar, of course. Yeah, there's grammar issues. You know, it's a foreign company. As far as that's concerned, I mean, I'm not too finicky on that. You know, that's not an issue. I don't like to see blatant plagiarism, blatant taking of other people's things. That's just not what we're into. So let's go ahead and log into the back office here, and love it when these pop up. Round 5 is the day, dear investors. ICO day 5 starts today at 4 p.m. UTC. Yesterday we sold out 200,000 BTL just in time. Today the total tokens available is still 200,000. We guess that you guys won't want to miss this. Thanks for your attention, the team. All right, awesome. So you see we have our coins here, 845 of them. Look at this, guys. Look at all of this. It's all working. Everything is working. So you'll send your BTC here, right here. You'll click here to your wallet. You'll click deposit BTC right here. This will pop up for you. You'll click copy and you'll send the funds to this address right here. Well, don't send it to this address because it'll go to my. Send it to your address that pops up in your back office. So you'll make the account for free. After you check out the platform, you'll send the funds right here. You'll click here. You'll send the funds to that address, and you'll be ready to go. You can come click the ICO. You'll come here. You can see here. You'll click buy, and everything will populate for you. You'll click I agree, and you'll buy your BTL smooth, nice and smooth like. So you can see our buy orders are right here on these dates right here. And let me show you the exchange. It's phenomenal. Most of these guys won't have an exchange up and running until, you know, a week, 2 weeks, a month after they've collected and sold all of the tokens, and we're like, yo, what the heck's going on? You've already gotten the money, you've made money, you've been making money this last month. Why is it taking so long? These guys already have everything up and running. As soon as they're done, you know, everything will get turned on. You can see my available balance is right here. It's not like this just says zeros and this is just a template of some sort or a picture. This is my amount. This is what we have in the back office. It's absolutely phenomenal. It's up and running, right? So look at the lending. Check out the freaking lending. It's already here. It's already up and running. Look, here's my amount right here. These are the numbers. Now, you may say, oh, well, those aren't impressive. Man, these are damn good numbers. You start adding a bonus to this. This is an over 2% day if you're in the 5,000 or better club of make a loan of 5,000 or more. 0.3. Add that to that, and you're now 0.173. So, not quite 2%, but still a great, great, great number. And, you know, the fact of the matter is, there are not that many trusted lending platforms out there right now. I trust these guys now. Look at everything that's up and running. I trust these guys, and they're ready to rock and roll. They're ready to make me money, and I do plan on making a good loan in here. This is phenomenal. I'm ready to go. So you can check out all of this information. Look at the support. It's right here in the back office. You want to set up a ticket? Set up a ticket. Now, we're not going to do that and send that because I'm sure they may be, well, I doubt they're even getting support tickets. Everything is running smooth. So if you guys are feeling as confident, and now, you know, now that we've been through this together, if you understand the BTL coin a little more and you understand why I'm so excited about it, man, feel free to jump on board with it. You feel you can lose. All of these are extremely risky, but I do like to put my time and effort into finding the ones that check off all the boxes that I'm looking for. And because I'm very confident in the research that we do, I have no problem showing you guys what it is that we've been doing over the last couple months. Our wins, our losses, they're all learning experiences, and we love to learn and educate ourselves on a daily basis on this, what looks to be one of the greatest wealth transfers of our generation in crypto. It's absolutely phenomenal. We're just loving crypto right now, guys. And right now, it's really the lending space that has our attention. And we're willing to put our money where our mouth is. We invest in all of these personally. And if we don't, we tell you exactly why. If you'd like us to review some, put it in the chat and we'll get to reviewing it. We do have some methods that we go about that has allowed us to stay above the fray and allowed us to become pretty profitable so far. You know, this is, you know, over a month period from November 13th to December 15th. You know, this was just getting our feet wet. And so this is following those same methods. We were able to turn a modest $2,800 investment into over $20,000. And so, you know, it's phenomenal. It's absolutely amazing that we've been able to to narrow these down a little bit. And so you can see we do have a couple reds when we were early on. We didn't quite have our method quite down yet, and we got stung a couple times. but you can see here we got a lot more green, and you'll also see that no YouTuber has all of the picks that we have, because we pick our own shit. So we do a lot of research. We do follow a lot of the YouTubers, and we listen to what they say. But a lot of these guys will just promote. Some of them get paid to actually promote. They won't even make a promotion unless they get paid. And some of them, they have such a horrible record, they've actually had to delete their damn channel and become a completely new person to even promote under a new name. And we'll see, how that works out. But you can see what we got here. Our January calendar is full up. If you're in that inner circle, you guys already know what we're going to be doing with a lot of these when we do them. But a lot of these, were trash or still realizing. A couple of these we're still realizing. A couple of these are in near future. We got a big month coming up. Hit here. This one comes out here in the next couple of days. This one will come out in the next couple of days. We don't know what's going on with that one. This one's out, I heard, but I'm not too sure about that. Goldgate we got coming out real soon. SFI coin, I believe, already has launched. I'll have to look into that one here. We're looking to see about $5 with this one. That'd be great. Nice little lick there. CEO coin, not sure what's going on here. What's going on with this crazy coin here? Got BitChamps, Unix coin, Stenium, Libra coin, Hot Crypto. We're going to do a couple videos when January 15th comes. Not sure which one we're going to be live streaming. I believe Libra coin and Money X definitely have the most potential. I like Hot Crypto a lot though, so I'm going to do a little bit more in-depth on each of these to find out which one we're going to be targeting based upon certain parameters, which one has the best outlook, so that we can have our attention focused on that one for January 15th, because this will be the first time in history that 3 launch on the same date. So we already know that some of these may go down. Competitors may be very competitive and DDoS that competition. I know it's not above this space to hit a new competitor with some friendly DDoS action. So we don't know what's going to happen. We'll let you guys know here in the near future. All right. We thank you guys so much for being a part of the team. If you definitely like the information that was presented to you, then make sure that you're a subscriber. Make sure that you click the notification bell. Like the video, share it with your friends, and jump on board with BTL coin if you feel like it's going to make you money like we feel that's going to make us a lot. So I believe this is going to 15x easy, and depending on how long you hold it may do a devour on us. So thank you so much, Bitcoin Networker.